Hello, in front of me I have a Logitech MK950 set. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with Logitech Option Plus app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse and keyboard are connected with the PC, either via Bluetooth or USB dongle. Once you are connected, let's open the Logi Option Plus app. As you can see, both mouse and keyboard will be automatically recognized from the app and you can manage them. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.